Hey everyone, this is Tim, and I'm back with another FPV drone video. I'm here at the park by a lake. This is called Lake Sammamish in Redmond, Washington. And looks like it's going to be a nice sunset today. So there are quite a few people at the park. So normally I would just sit on the dock and just fly off the dock. But there's a bunch of fishermen and stuff today. So I know if I walk down here to this trail a little bit, I can find something a little bit more secluded. Plus, when I'm by myself in headset, I don't have to worry so much about people approaching me and asking me questions back here. There's still some people over here too. This might be good enough to start. Look at that. Got some hungry beavers here. Alright. Well, we're kind of running out of park here. This is pretty much the end of it right here. It does go back here a little bit farther, but I don't remember if there's any more water access or not. It's a bummer that there's so many people back here today. Usually I have this place to myself. Man, there's people all the way back here too. Alright. I think this will work. Found a good place to get set up here. If you are looking at getting the DJI Avata, I would recommend getting a little landing pad. I hand catch and launch my Mavic drones, but this one's a little bit different. I probably wouldn't. I haven't had the best of luck with hand catching it and launching it. I haven't, lost any fingers, but I wouldn't recommend it. Also, makes it much easier to fly. Get yourself a lanyard. And alright, we got the goggles. The thing I like about this DJI FPV system is how quick and easy it is to set up. Okay, we got that on. Get our remote set up. Very familiar with flying my Mavic series drones over the lake here. Done that plenty of times, but this will be a first. Alright, got my goggles on. Guys, let me know if you'd ever like to see what I'm seeing in the headset. Alright? And then I can actually record in the headset. I don't have a memory card in now, but I could in the future. So again, it always gives you a warning to check the door. I could disable it, but I actually like the warning in case of, it's just a good reminder. It says I'm in a warning zone. Oh yeah, there's a helicopter pad around here. I've never actually ever seen it be used. But there is a mansion here. So I'm recording. Now what I'd like to do is just do a little like that to sync up the cameras. Sand on my landing pad. Okay guys, let's do this. I'm in normal mode right now. Doing pretty good out over the water. If we turn this way, we should see Mount Rainier. There's Mount Rainier way off in the distance out there. Let's come on back. I don't like this wind out here. I'm only 122 feet out. Okay, so I'm basically over here. Whoa, I don't want to get lost out here. Let's see if I can come in through these trees a little bit here. It's so hard sometimes to see these little branches until you get really close to them. So I would recommend going really slow when you get through any branches. Now, I know that there's nobody behind me, but I don't know how far I can go before I run into somebody in front of me. So I'm gonna go back out over the water at some point and come on back, because I think there's some people over here and I don't want to spook them. This is actually kind of cool. I'm looking at my signal. My signal strength is really good still. Is there anybody over here? Nope, there's nobody over here. This is cool. Now we're heading towards the dock. Oh, that wind is giving me a little instability here. Oh man, I gotta be careful over here. One false move could knock me out of the sky. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we got around those people. And the dog. I'm glad I didn't spook the dog. See, look at these big branches everywhere. And so we just gotta be careful. Wouldn't be the first time I got knocked down by some branches and had to go searching for my drone. But I've just put new propellers on. So if I don't have to deal with that, any broken props or anything like that today, I'd be good with that. Let's go over here. I don't think anybody's over here. Let's not go too far back that way. I'm over there. Alright, I'm going to follow this trail back. What do you guys think? Subscribe? I mean, if you think, again, I'm in normal mode right now. I have been doing some simulator training with an app called Uncrashed. It's pretty good. You can use it with the DJI remote, but you know, I don't really know how closely that actually mimics the rates of the drone, or I don't really know if the handling is all that similar. But I did try manual mode a couple times, and I can tell you I'm just not quite ready for it yet. I have a really hard time with it, but I'm not going to give up. I'm getting there. For now, I'm just having fun using this drone to do stuff that I would never do with my Mavic drones, like buzzing through the trees like this. Anyway, whoa, I don't like the way it's flying here. A little unstable. See, there's me down there. I mean, I'm going to add some I'm going to run this through gyro flow, so it's probably going to look really smooth, but right now you can see the wind is bothering it just a bit. Let's bring it back in here without dropping it into the lake, please. There we go. I found a little hole to jump down through. I don't want to hit myself here. Oh, there I am. Pretty fun. Cool. Never in great colors tonight, but that was a fun little trip. We made it through all the brush and trees. It was a lot of fun. Now the sun's going down, so this park actually closes at dusk, so I'm going to pack up and start getting out of here. But thanks for watching, guys. Follow along my journey, and if you want to know any tips or tricks that I might have learned along the way that I haven't talked about, just let me know, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.